Alright, so guys, this is the upstairs bathroom now. Just started a little work on it, right? Because remember me telling us that the downstairs bathroom I use, so never really in a rush to do that 1 year, right? Plus, me have some other stuff I deal with on the house. Well, we just started some good work on it right now. So the workman is nowhere and he just saw this out for me. This would have been the base of the shower glass, right? So not sure which one of the shower glass I'm going to get, if it's the open one or the sliding one. Me personally, I like the sliding one better, so I might get that. But comment in the comment section, for bathroom setting, which would you guys prefer? The sliding shower glass or the open one? So leave it in the comment section. So I'm actually starting some work back on the bathroom right now. So the workman is here and he's actually out in the living room doing some rough casting at the moment. So we'll soon touch on that, right? So for the time being, I'm going to take you through the bathroom section for all of the new viewers that are just joining. Guys, welcome, all right? Thanks for joining. And let me just show you basically what's going on. So this would be where one of the vanity set would be going, right? I'm not sure which one of the vanity set I will be getting, if it's the 24 inch or the 30 inch, right? But I'm asked the workman to just leave me a bit of space. So when the vanity set goes in, I'll still have a little space between the shower area and stuff. Probably can put some, some stuff, so put some storage and stuff like that, all right? So the vanity set would be going in here, and I think right here, so you see this circle right here, so I think I'll have to like run a connection, electrical connection, because I don't want like one of the one of the mirrors where you can just turn on the light on it, the press button mirrors where you see it all over the place right now. Yeah, so I'll probably have to run something from either this section. So it's a good thing when I render everything yet, so we can always make them adjustments there. So yeah, that is it. And the toilet would be going on that side. Yeah, that's the toilet side. So it's a good size bathroom, people. It's a good size bathroom. So the door area, just walk in, step in, I'm a king of everything, people. Watch it. So I'm not sure. I wanted to put like a little seat on this section, right? So based on everything, it might not look that big right now because through all of this, they're right here. So after moving everything, you can see much more space, right? So it's either put like a little, not a big one, but like a little seat right over here, so right, or probably like one in just the corner alone, right? So see right now, so one would be going over here. So I know I'm gonna put a seat over there, it's just the size is not a problem, right? So right here, so, and you can see this would be the shower area, right? Which should have the mixer and stuff like that, right? So this is it. So what the workman is doing on the outside, which should be in the living room section, is basically doing some rough casting at the moment. So I'm taking the outside so they can see what's going on. Alright, just to show you guys what is going on for the day. So we're just gonna get the walls and rough cast, and this is just basically the first step before the walls can get rendered. So not that much work going on for the day. Just this basically because but I have like a portion of cement left back from the last time I decked the living room section, right? So the cement them there for a long period of time and them kind of get hard up, so just want to get rid of them. So why not just get the walls rough cast? Alright, so this is where I'm reached so far. Alright. And after we're gonna touch the next wall and with basically what's left of the cement. It's not that much. So wherever it stopped, it just stopped right there, so until we get some more cement. So far I'm gonna do a good job, right? As you can see, the labor are doing thing. Yo, out of nowhere, I don't know where this rain come from. Jaja. Rain always come on days like these, I don't know why. But at least I'm on the inside of my work and not on the outside. So I don't really ruin nothing still. Go and catch up some water in the meantime, because them I need some water. Yeah, put that over there, so. Nah, lie still. I'ma move fast still. The rain kinda hold up still. This is where I'm reached so far. And I think I ride this so the cement I can finish. So just I go watch you go on. Even me I tell you there's a lot of work left in the living room. But like I said before, this is just in the starting, this one started. It I gonna get finished, right? With the grace of God. Right? Watch him out deal with the thing. Yo, the work man at back still, man, tell me. So this is the last cement I'm gonna have left, right? So I'm gonna just finish up what is left of the cement on this side of the wall, right? Wherever it stop, it just stop, people, right? So I have to end up have to call him back again to just finish up everything, because I know so this one cement now I gotta just do everything, right? Plus it not touch on the next wall. Alright guys, so it's the second day after the workman wouldn't say completed yet, because he not finished it yet, right? So run out of cement, because we had like an amount of cement since the last decade, right? So we have an amount of cement we don't want to get rid of. So that's why I'm calling the workman and just tell him to use up them there. So I'm gonna end up buying some more so he can finish up. So I'm gonna show you basically when finish up so far and what is left. So over here, so the wood are ready, and this side as well. So you can see we haven't started this side as yet. So this side with alongside the top ears and on this side finish it. And guys, we put up the columns in as well. I didn't get to record this part, but as you can see, I already go up already. So you can leave in the comment section and tell me how it looks to you guys. Yeah man, place like a boss, man. So for all of the new viewers then, right? When not too long got these from a previous video where I went to pick up the columns in. So I need 2 more to go down there, so right? But I'm not ready for that side as yet. So when I feel like a top board up here. So these are up now, and the ceiling is going to basically to the left. But I don't think I'm going to do it the traditional way. Thinking I'll probably use a short coat and deal with the ceiling, right? So that is the aim for the ceiling. So you guys see the place is coming together, I mean, it's taking a bit of time to sort out everything, but like I said, Rome wasn't building a day. And the other day, I think I look on a house and I say, no, this house coming together, it has been years since this house has been building, right? Not because we really have the money and everything. I mean, that is India as well, but based on how the economy are going, everything is just getting mad expensive. I don't know, at 2026 now, I don't know if we don't start to build a house right now, based on everything. Material price going up, every single week you're going like something that's gone up at the hardware. But I'm not saying that for discouraging the people, who in the position can build a house, and make the step and building it down with tomorrow and deal with it, right? Because then you see things are getting mad expensive, right? So for whoever overseas or in Jamaica
You know, just lay there and I say, oh, my contemplate if them to build a house or not. And I tell me right now, stop the thinking, right? If they can do it, gonna build a one room, right? Don't wait until tomorrow. Mother always tell me if you have a chance to do something today, don't wait until tomorrow, people. Right? Because tomorrow is not promised, right? And don't wait for the big money come, because the big money will never come, right? So the money we have, just take it and do something, right? Yeah. Even if you can't buy a container house or one of those prefab homes, right? Just do something, right? If you can't get a piece of land, don't get a family land door. I tell you, I don't know why I'm going so definitely. So if you can't get a piece of land somewhere, and build like people, that the greatest step you can make in our life right now. Just have a place for yourself, right? So, guys, thank you for checking in. Thank you for watching the videos and thank you for liking the videos and sharing the videos. Alright, guys, just continue supporting me, guys, and make sure hit the like button on this video. Alright, and guys, do make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the videos as well, guys. Thank you for the support, guys. Just know me, don't take enough for granted. Alright, so guys, until next time, peace.